Dick and his cat. Dick got hurt his back.
Move the page.
Whoop.
Okay.
I can't. No one sees me.
Okay.
Dick met a man. The man got the dick a job.
Very good. Next one. What did he say there?
Rat.
Very good. And what happened?
Dick got a cat.
Very good. And then, what did he do after?
The cat got a rat.
Very good.
Dick got a bag of cash.
Very good. So he got a bag of cash. Brilliant. And the next one? What did he say?
I will be rich.
I will be rich. And what is the sound of the bell?
Ding dong.
Okay. And what about this one?
Dick got lost. Lot
Yeah.
of jobs.
Very good, Theo. Well done. Want to continue the story? You say, hi, everybody.
Hi, everyone.
I'm reading.
I'm reading
And then,
my book.
okay.
It's from school.
All right. And then,
And you watching me? Good.
right, Theo, you need to read the rest.
Okay. The cat got a lot of rat.
Very good. So show them the cat's getting lots of rats. And then what happened? In the next one,